Hello, I've tried a few jigsaws over the years. First one was absolutely rubbish, cheap one, and I hated jigsaws, and then I got a Bosch Professional one. This was a mains powered one and it really changed things. I loved it. But then I went onto the 12-volt battery platform and got this barrel grip little one and loved this. Definitely not as powerful as the main powered one, but I love the grip and how compact it is. I bought all those, but now Bosch have sent me the 18-volt barrel grip one, and this is now my new favourite. It's got the power of the mains one, but with the nice grip of the 12-volt one. So I'm going to show you around this tool and let you know why it's my new favourite. So the start, I've already kind of mentioned it, is the grip. This kind of barrel grip I think is just the best. So I feel with this kind of grip you've just got much more control. It's also easy to hit the buttons. So you've got the main power switch, and you've got the pendulum action there. The blade change on this is very quick and easy, and they just go in with no tools whatsoever. To remove the blade, you just press this little lever and they fall out. On the underside is a speed control, which I have used when I've needed to cut some metal, but most of the time I go for full speed. The jigsaw has one more button on it and I need to put a battery in and turn it on to show you. So it has a little LED light in there so you can see what you're doing. But if you're working upside down or doing something, you might not want it. So there's a little red button on the back of the handle. And you can turn that on and off. It comes with 3 blades, which I've not even opened yet, and it's got a splinter guard. Again, not something I've used, but if you're doing some very fine cuts, that might be useful. So I really like the 12-volt saw, and it was great for smaller, delicate cuts, but this has got so much power. So let's stick a new blade in and I'll show you what it can do. Got a brand new blade in this, a fully charged 4 amp hour battery, and I've got some treated 4x2. Pendulum action is off. So that was really quick. Now there's 3 other settings of pendulum action. Let's turn it to max and give that a go. Wow, much quicker. So as you can see, it's got plenty of power and very fast, and you can definitely cut through some thicker woods. I really like the barrel grip, so you get more control. But one of the other advantages of the barrel grip is you can use it upside down. Then you can really follow your line. Being able to follow the line from underneath works great, but if you want to work from the top, it has this little metal pointer which you just line up with your line and follow, which also works well. Another nice feature it has, when you actually turn the power off, that blade stops instantly. So it does a great job through thick, even treated wood, but it can cut loads of other materials. One of my favourite things to use it for is to use one of these little serrated blades and cut through insulation boards. And I've done that on garden rooms and workshop builds, but it can also cut metal and loads of other materials. Another simple thing I like, but if you work with tools you'll probably like this too, is how it stands up. So obviously it just stands up like that, but if you put a battery in, that's a 4 amp hour, it still stands up nicely like that, but it can also stand up like that, and I don't know, that just makes me happy. So this Bosch 18-volt barrel grip jigsaw is definitely my favourite, and it's the one I reach for all the time now. I think I will keep the 12 volt one because I like how compact it is, but really there's hardly any difference in size, and you get all the advantages of the power and the capacity of this bigger one. So thank you to Bosch for sending me this. I'll put a link to it down below. Thanks for watching, thanks to my patrons, and please subscribe for more videos.